how you can start a project on Final Cut Pro. For this, just simply open up your Final Cut Pro, and this is the kind of a screen that you will be seeing after opening it up. Now all you have to do is just click on this option of File at the top, then click on this option of New, and here you get this particular option of Library. Now click on this Library option, and here you get to change the name of your library, so you can find it out quite easily after you create it. Now I will simply name it as sample for now, and right below it you will be able to find this option where you can save this particular file that you are creating right now. Then simply click on this option of save, and this way your library will be created. Now we can create different projects in this particular library in order to start working on a particular project. For starting a new project, simply click on this option of file, then click on new, and here you get the option of project. And now you can notice that earlier this option was not available for us since there was no library. Now we have the project option as well as event option, but we need to create a project. The shortcut option is Command N in order to create a project, and this is how it will appear. Now we can name this particular project over here. We will simply name it as sample, and here we can select the video type. Now here you can select whether you want the 4K or the other options, but this will make a huge difference on the size of the project. If you are struggling with the storage capacity of your device already, then make sure that you select the option of 1080p HD. It is a good option for good quality as well as saving some space. But if you are still struggling further, then go with 720p. If you have no storage issues, then you can go with the 4K. Moreover, most of the social media platforms out there prefer 4K quality in order to promote any particular content out there. So just select it accordingly. Also, this is the time when we decide whether we are going for the long form content or the reels or shorts. So if you are editing a reel, then you would have to select the option of custom at the bottom, and here in the resolution we will just switch it up to 1080 and 1920, and just keep everything else on default. And this way you would be able to create a project for the reel. But for now we will just simply select the normal one, and we are looking to edit a long form content using this particular project. Simply click on OK after that, and here we got our timeline. Here it is a magnetic timeline that you are seeing in the dark one, and it holds everything together whenever we add some stuff to it. Now we can add different layers to this particular timeline.